Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial. Let's show you how to edit this project. If you have downloaded, we have now the zipped file here. I right click on that and I using 7-zip. You can download for free. You can search on Google and download for free. So extract to, because I want a new folder, I extract to the name. Okay, so I'm going to this file and I open the After Effects projects. Double click and I'm waiting now to opening. I just wait. Okay, so now we have this project, and in this folder we have all transitions and one composition with all transition. Okay, if I play, we can see all the transitions here. We have a background. Okay, so now let's show you how to edit the colors of the every transition. For example, I'm going to first transition, double click on that, and we have here the set color here option. I click on this and I'm going to FX controls set colors here. I click on that and I have these controls. For example, if I want this red to red or blue, okay, can be changed any color. After you pick the color here, you click OK and you have changed the color. Cancel for now, and now let's show you how to apply to any project the transitions. So I have here some videos footage, and I select what videos I want to add. Okay, so this is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos, and I will drag. I select all what I want to edit. I drag it in my project. Okay, and all selected clips footage, I drag on this icon here, and now we have this option sequence layers. I add sequence layers, duration 00, transition off, and click OK. And now we have the sequence layers here, and I want to add transitions. For example, if I'm going to all, after I added all the colors, I will add the transition. For example, first transition, I will drag it here, and I move this layer where I want to add it. So I zoom it a little bit, and so let's see when I want to start the transition. For example, here now, and we have added the first transition. You can see what's happening. Okay. After that, I add auto transition, the transition 2, and I repeat the process in this at these two video layers. Okay, let's starting now, and When it's off the transition, we have other video. Okay, so let's add all for all my footage. Okay, let's see. Transition 4. It's okay. And the last transition. I'm dragging here. I zoom with this. Okay, let's see now. So after I finish that, you need to save your file, pressing Ctrl and S on your keyboard, and I rename this composition. Let's, for example, my transition video. Okay, enter, and now I'm going to create MP4 video to render. I'm going to file and export at render queue, and we have some settings here. I'm going to, so here is best settings, it's okay, lossless, and we have the model settings. I'm going to format, in my case I want to be MP4 with this codec, okay. And if you have audio, check this audio, click OK. So if you want to add audio, just drag the audio file and drag the audio file in this composition, in your composition. Okay, after that you are going to render the video. So I set the audio, okay, but in my case I don't have audio now. And output 2, I'm going here, click on that, and so just rename my video. For example, let's go to my folder. So just a moment. Okay, I write here my first. Save, click save, and click render. Now just wait to finish this render, and you have MP4 video with transition added. It's very easy to edit. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.